Alright guys, my boy just brought in this Audi S4. He just did a tune on it. He did catless downpipes. We did an X-pipe and Tommy tips right there, as you guys can see. And here, he just opened it up. He's gonna two-step it for us. So let's see the two-step. It's a good looking Audi. He's gonna bring it back tomorrow. It's too loud. That's insane. Wow. I can't stand behind it, guys. Sorry. Wow. Let's see him take off now. We'll do a full video on it tomorrow, guys, after we have the Magnaflows too. So stay tuned. He's gonna bring it back tomorrow. You can still hear it, look. That's insane. Enjoy, guys. 2014 S4, fully straight pipe, down pipes. The only thing it's got on it, still got two stock little baby resonators and an X pipe. Other than that, it's fully straight pipe. That's what it sounds like before. You guys can see it's very loud. So it's just ungodly loud for him. Again. There's sound decibels, go ahead. So he brought us this muffler, 11386 by Magnaflow. It's a dual in, dual out with a built-in X pipe. Overall length is 20 inches. We're gonna put it right in the center and give him a double X pipes, double helix basically, with the built-in muffler too. So let's see how much it tames it, because it reached 128, 129 on the sound decibels, which was crazy loud. So stay tuned, guys. And we'll show you the undercarriage, what it looks like now, before we do it. So I let you guys hear what it sounds like before. This is what it looks like. So there's the rear muffler delete with the Natami tips that we did earlier in the year. And we added an X pipe in. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these two resonators out. We're gonna replace these resonators and pipes with a dual in, dual out muffler. And if you guys can look inside of it, I don't know if you can see it, it's got a built-in X pipe too. It's gonna go where this one is. See it? Right there. So we're gonna fab it in for him. So there it is. Stay tuned, guys. 2014 Audi S4. So we showed you guys what it sounded like before and without the install of the muffler and all that good stuff. Got the carbon lip, all that. Let me show you guys what we done on it. So it's got custom downpipes on each side, catless. He had installed somewhere else. So we showed you guys where the two resonators were. We took them out and installed a dual in, dual out Magnaflow with a built-in X pipe right there. Came out really clean, look at that. Really nicely done. The boys at Exhaust Addicts hooked it up. Part number 11386. There'll be a link in the description for it. There it is right there on each side. And it's good because the clamps that were on it were leaking too. And then its true dual continues. And then there's a second X pipe right there. So it's got a double X pipe, double helix X pipe. One in the muffler and one outside that. The normal, muffler delete on each side. And then we finished it off nicely with two Natami tips right there and right there. There's the two resonators that were on it. They are resonators, guys, so you guys don't think they're cats. See that? They're straight through empty resonators. Two of them right there. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Already, yeah. So he's still got tone, which is a good thing. Here's idle, guys. So it's a lot quieter at idle now. Here's the sound decibels on idle. Right at 77. We'll say 78. Go ahead. No, it's 124. It hit 127, 128 earlier. Again? Again? Yeah, it dropped down 3-4 decibels. But revving normal. Like some vibrance or something, quiet flows, and it'll tame it more. Wow. Yeah, just go full exhaust. He's gonna get a kit, guys. Should he get a kit or leave it like this? To me, I love it. This sounds good. Again? That's so awesome. Go ahead and back it up. He's still doing details. So follow his build, guys, and if you need business, if you need detail service, he's best in the business. Hit him up. That sounds badass though. Again? It's so loud. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. This is our beautiful shop at 3560 Dickerson Pike. Give us a call if you guys need any service. We're right down the street from Skyline Hospital. Again? Alright, I'm gonna let you guys hear it on the inside. Here we go, guys. Let's see what he does this time. See if it's any quieter. He's saying it's pushing around 440 horses. Wow, it showed it. That sucker was quick. Yeah, you can barely hear it now like you used to. It's still there, but it's a lot quieter than it was. All right, tell us what you guys think.